Look at the snow pile. Look at this. Wow. Look at that part. Look at the rooftop. It's so bad. God, Lord. It's so bad. It's very, very bad. Let me show you the front side. This is the back side, okay? That's my gift. So, let's see how is the outside, the front. Oh my God. There's no way we can go out. Look at those piles. Look at this pile. Wow. If it was not that windy, then it would be even bigger pile. So I don't know how that's happened. Let's see how it is. Oh wow. Look at that pile. Look at that pile. How we are supposed to go out. Oh my God. That's Michigan. That's in Michigan. Oh God dang it. It's been 1 year I'm in Michigan, but I never seen that big pile of snow in front of our door. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's too cold. Wow. Wow. Yesterday my husband just cleaned this part. It was even more high, and then people could go out. But today it's again all over. It's like maybe my height, I don't know, few feet. Oh no. This is